speedo's working now. Everything's working like it's supposed to be. Sounds pretty good. I just gotta get her tuned up, get her finalized on the tune. I should be driving pretty good. I don't have my boost gauge hooked up right now. I'll give it a little bit of gas. See if I can do this whole thing. And boost cut out right there. I need to get it dialed in, get it tuned up, but so far so good. Get her finalized and tuned. I got a small oil leak that I got to fix on my return line, or not my return line, my feed line. Got a little small leak, or it's either that on my feed line or it's on my sandwich plate. Really small, might be on the fitting. Got to jack it up and check that out. Yeah, so hopefully I can get this bitch tuned pretty quick and get her driving good. But everything's working, speedo's working. The reverse lockout's not locking out anymore on me sometimes. The temperature actually goes up at a decent time. Beforehand, it was taking forever to for the gauge right here to reach the temperature. The fuel pressure gauge was kind of whacked out too. But yeah, this harness definitely cured everything up. All right, so she's up and running pretty good. Definitely got to get the tune finalized. I'm gonna hit up my tuner and get that finalized. All right, so the harness I got was from Carrot Top Tuning. I will leave a link down in the description. Pop a picture right now. Well, that was the harness I went with, and the quality is good for the price. It's great, actually. It does route different, and I love the way it routes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So instead of the K-tune coming out of the passenger side and coming up this way and doing all this thing over here, the Carrot Top comes from the driver's side, comes out through that grommet and comes alongside, alongside here, and then branches out everything like that. All this stuff over here, all the transmission stuff here, then it goes that way, and it comes this way and finishes off over here on the crank sensor. So I really love how it routes. It does have plenty of room, as you can see it right here. I am definitely going to wrap it with some heat tape for sure. Just wanted to take it out for a test drive, but definitely going to keep it heat protected from the hot side. But I do love the way it routes. Like I said, it goes right here, as you can see. Comes right here, goes right here, goes along this side right here, drops down and comes in. It comes out right where the pedals are at. Out of that grommet right there, comes out of there, comes through there, and I have it tucked going up and through here. And then I got plenty of room with my ECU. I might have to stretch it out a little bit and tuck it there, or I might just mount it to the side right here on this, or over here on the side panel. We'll see. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff I got to touch up on. All this wiring down here for all my gauges. My boost gauge right now is off. I'm gonna redo all this and all this wiring on here. I'm gonna put an actual, I guess a distribution block in here somewhere and run everything off of that instead of tapping in these wires. I did get that from Surge Automotive. Thank you, man, for good idea, but that's why I'm gonna run everything when I get these boost gauges, oil pressure gauge. All these gauges are gonna be hooked into that. So yeah, and then I gotta go ahead and button all this shit up, clean it up. It's a mess right now. But driving it, I do get some boost cut, so I definitely gotta get the tuner and get this dialed in. But I do gotta take care of a oil leak. I gotta take the valve cover off. My dumbass missed the step to where you put the Honda Bond RTV in the corners right here. I forgot to do that, and it's got a little leak. My dumbass skipped that step, so I'll go ahead and retouch that and put some Honda Bond on there. But I do have a leak either on this feed line or the sandwich plate down there or the fitting down there. So I definitely got to jack it up and see where my leak's coming from. After that, everything's good. I do got to bump the fuel pressure up a little bit. I was looking at it's pretty low, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully Next couple days I can get all this stuff buttoned up, and maybe we'll take this to autocross. We'll see. Not 100%, but if I feel that everything's good, then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fucking, why not, drive it at autocross. But other than that, oh, and that's if I get the tune done too. I mean, I'm not gonna take this out there if I don't have the tune on it for sure. So we'll see what happens. But as of right now, she starts up real, like a couple turns over and starts right away. So starts up real good. Just got to fix the minor issues and touch up on some little stuff that I need to do and wrap the thing. But yeah, this is a Carrot Top RSX harness. I love the way it runs as it comes from that side, goes this way, and routes everything that way instead of the most of them come out of the passenger side and go up this way and go this way. I like it. The only thing is, yes, I probably definitely gonna put some heat wrap on this, or some heat socket or something like that, the socks with the heat tube, whatever. Put that on there just to keep that protected. Don't want to buy no more harnesses. But other than that, and I think I do got to put a bigger spring in my blow off valve. We'll see. Other than that, like I said, other than that, she starts up, fires up real quick. Sounds pretty good, runs pretty good. But I just got to get it tuned up and get the little things fixed, the oil leak and shit like that, and it should be good to go. Got my O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, I gotta get the little things touched up. I've noticed my tensioner pulley is knocking a little bit when you put under torque or whatever, under power. It gives a little knock sound, so I might have to look into getting a new tensioner here pretty soon. Other than that, because I don't want a belt to break, of course, so I should look into that tensioner pretty soon. But I do work at O'Reilly, so get a huge discount on that. Other than that, she's running good, so let me get this bitch tuned, get this bad boy tuned, and let's have some fun with her. I'm ready to have some fun with her. She sat for a little bit, just waiting for the harness, waiting for money to have the harness. I had to put money into the S2000, the rear end, but looks like we're good. So yeah, so stay tuned for the more content on this RSX. Thank God it's back up and running. So yeah, hope you guys like it. There's my update, and like and subscribe, and go check out that Carrot Top tuning harness. You guys might like it. I like it. Can't tell you how longevity of it is because I just put it in, but as in the quality and all that shit, I like it. Definitely worth the money, but I'll definitely leave the link in the description. And that's it. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, and KL down. I'll catch you guys on the next one.